Shoutout kay Cristel Kashmir Starter from Canada. Hello. Kay Brian Bemio ng Salapato Tugao. Kay ano din, Ronald Kaingli. And then, musika katatawanan. Oh, kilala mo na. Hindi ko na malala. And hello, Phoebe. Welcome back to my channel! Yes! So today, let's have a game. Try ko song titles to, yung kalang song titles. Then try kong i-translate siya in English. Building. Before that, shout out muna kay Ate Tony. Ate Tony, alam mo, supporter ko sa mga vlog ko. And then, kay John Lee, and many more sa lahat ng subscriber ko. Hello, hello, hello! Ang gagawin natin, bukunin ng song title dito, Ilocano song title, and then try kong i-translate. Katuwaan lang naman, huwag maging seryoso. Baka mamatay ka ng heart attack. First song tayo. Sipot-sipot ka. You look around, you look around. You look around, you look around. So, Tengati bye-bye, middle of the sea. Kanta ti Ulila, song for orphan. Layo. As-asog, nag-iti ka mo. The aim of this soul. Sisid Marino, Dive Marine. Dung Ao, Crying. Alas 3 per fam. 3 AM at dawn. Dengue Manong, Hear Me Elder. Puspusi Pusem, Turn Around, Turn Around. Pakada, Farewell. Tarong Kamatis Palya, it's eggplant, tomato, and bitter melon. Agayaten kang MD Rumbe, I love you but it should not be. I love you but it should not be. I want Flowers of Mirasol. Sing-sing ayat Ring of Love. Witty. Ipidobol di. Tuy pusok inadipen na. You slave my heart. Easy. Nalang tua para pag-ararapan. Fresh. Saluyon. Jud tuloy. Nagsabong kinayat. Flowery love. Easy. Tintong Alcazar. My upcoming wedding. Tontonen na kabila. Tonton. Arrested by love. Tinay sa uli. The love of a child. The love of a one child. Of a one child. Of a one child. Nagwapo kan manong. You're handsome. You're handsome. You're handsome. You're handsome, elder.
Hello, it's me.
Bullshit niya ya. Blind love. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Panawan ka ang biyag ko. I'm gonna leave you, my love. Hindi na kayo kung ang nakaya. My husband is Dustin. Oh my God. Ala ka din, kakayawat. Come on, give it. To him, to her. Come on, give it to him. Dumteng kan dyan ko. Come over, my love. Lakay, di kayat ko. I prefer the old ones. I like older guys. I attend ka. I love ya. Next is mine. So see you again next time for another episode of Explore A Zone. Yes, bye Lasha.